A fruit seller has a total of 187 fruits consisting of apple, mangoes, and oranges. So, apple, mango, oranges, and total. So, total we have 187 fruits. The number of apples and or mangoes are in the ratio 5:2. So, if I take the apples to be 5A, then orange mangoes will be 2A. After he sells 75 apples, so this is initial quantity. They sold 75 apple, 26 mangoes, and half of the oranges. We don't know the number of oranges. Let's assume the number of oranges to be 2B. Why twice B? Why not B? Because I want to make it, I want to sell half of it, so it will be integral value. I don't have to deal in the decimal numbers then. So this. Then unsold quantity will be, it will be 5A minus 75, 2A minus 26, and it will be B. The ratio of the number of unsold apple to the number of unsold oranges become 3:2. So 5A minus 75 is 2, B is 3:2. Now let's solve this. It is 10A minus 150 equal to 3B, or 10A minus 3B, 10A minus 3B equal to 150. This is one equation. And the other was the total should be 187. So I can make this equation as 7A plus twice B equal to 187. This is my second equation. Now there are two equations in two variables. Let's solve it. So if I make B equal, I need to multiply this with 3 and this with 2. So this will be 21A plus 6B equal to 561. From here I am getting this, and from here I'll write this. This is 20A minus 6B equal to 300. So if you add, it is cancelled. 41A equal to 861, or A equal to 21. Now we have the value of A. If we plug the value of A in any of the equation, let's say for in the first one, it is 7 into 21 plus twice of B equal to 187, which means twice of B equal to 187 minus 147, or B equal to 20. Now we have the value of A and B, and the question is asking you the total number of unsold fruit. Total number of unsold fruit is this, which is 5A plus 2A, 7A plus B minus 101 is the total number of unsold fruit. Just plug in the values. So it is 7 into 21 plus 20 minus 101. This is 147 plus 20 minus 101, or is equal to 66. So answer is 66.